Hello, thank you so much for the whole staff and the whole management of Lasuri Hotels and Resorts for making our wedding event successful and beyond our expectations. So we are very, very thankful to you, to our special MC, our MC Andy, and to all our coordinators, Miss Lisa, if tama ako, and the others,
Miss
Jane,
Zaira,
oh
Sir Jane
yes,
Dom, and
and Jane Dom,
Miss
yeah,
Giselle,
Miss Connie,
Miss Connie,
yeah,
yeah.
and
Mm,
yeah. So from the start, no, we are very thankful, very hands-on ang Lasuri,
mm.
no, so uh, we will refer to the Lasuri to our friends for their upcoming events, no? So that's for me.
Ah, ayun, siguro same din. I would like to thank the Lazuri management for um, giving us a wholesome um, event then, and especially to our host, Sir Andy. Um, kung hindi din dahil sa kanya, hindi magiging lively and mag-enjoy yung mga guest namin. And of course, thank you again sa mga staff, whole staff, crew, and sa mga coordinators na nag-assist talaga, full support din sila. Simula pa nung una. So, ayun, appreciate namin lahat yung mga efforts din nila. And ayun, I know hindi lang din ako yung, as a bride na medyo stressed, but dahil sa kanila, somehow is nais din yung ano ko, um, yun nga, yung mga stress and everything dahil andyan sila to provide assistance. So, thank you everyone. Thank you, Lazuri.
God bless us all.